most commands in COMOSYS, once you're using a command, for example, if I were to use the stiffen end plate over here, it asks for a beam and asks for a secondary beam and it connects. But if you notice, it stays inside the command. And I can continue selecting like that and like that. But whenever you want to end it, you can either press the escape key or right click and it'll either directly interrupt like that, or it will give you an option of interrupting like that. So it's either going to be a direct right click or right click interrupt, or by pressing the escape key. You can do this in the middle of a command as well. If you, let's say you selected one beam and now you realize that you don't want to connect it, if you just press the escape key, you will be outside the command. Once again, the right click also will help you do the same. So it's a nice way to end the selection sequence, or if you're in the middle of a command, you can just get out of it by pressing the escape key, and this works for most of the commands in COMOSYS.